Welcome to my channel. I'm Scott Puntel, and I'm here to inspire you to do more than just survive. I want to help you thrive. With over 30 years of off-roading, overlanding, and exploring wild terrains, I've come to understand the challenges we encounter off the beaten path often reflect the ones in everyday life. What once seemed impossible can become possible with the right mindset and a fresh perspective. This channel is about more than just conquering trails and reviewing gear. It's about learning the principles of off-roading, like carefully choosing a line, staying steady under pressure, and adapting to the unexpected obstacles can transform the way you approach your own life. Sometimes all it takes is a small shift in perspective or a new approach to see a clear way through. If you love the thrill of adventure, pushing limits, and discovering your true potential, you've come to the right place. Together, we'll explore how the journey through the toughest trails and the rocky climbs can inspire personal growth, resilience, and a deeper understanding of what it takes to thrive. Let's start this exciting journey now, on the trail and in life.